Many people know the symptoms of a heart attack: chest tightness, pressure, heaviness, or pain radiating to neck, jaw, shoulders, arms, and back, with shortness of breath, sweating, nausea.
Or the symptoms of a stroke: weakness on one side of the body, slurred speech or difficulty speaking, confusion, or headache.
But do you know the symptoms of diabetes? There are nearly 18 million Americans diagnosed with diabetes, while 57 million people have pre-diabetes. Yet another 6 million have diabetes but have not yet been diagnosed. If left untreated, diabetes is the #1 cause of blindness, dialysis, and amputation, as well as a leading cause of death in America.
If you have dry mouth, increased urination, unexplained fatigue, changes in mood, cuts or sores that are slow to heal, more frequent infections or illnesses, blurred vision, numbness or tingling in your feet or hands, you may have diabetes.
But many people with diabetes have no symptoms at all. So know the risks of developing diabetes. Are you over the age of 40? Are you overweight? Do you rarely exercise? Does anyone in your family have diabetes? Are you African, Asian, or Native American, Hispanic? Do you have high blood pressure? Did you have gestational diabetes while you were pregnant?
If you have 2 or more of the symptoms or risk factors for diabetes, talk to your healthcare professional about being screened. A simple blood test is all it takes.
Early diagnosis is the key to living healthy now and staying healthy in the future. For help managing diabetes, call 375-4127.
When it comes to diabetes,
the future is in your hands.